Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to check if your iPhone has been refurbished. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you got a new iPhone on eBay or Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and you want to check and make sure that it is a new original iPhone, it hasn't been a refurbished iPhone, there's an easy way to check it in the model number on that iPhone itself. So the first thing that we'll do is just go into settings here. And then once we're in settings, we'll scroll down until we find general and we'll tap on general. And then at the very top, you can see about, we'll tap on about. And then right at the top, you can see model number. And the model number for my iPhone is MGEF3LL-A. The key here is to look at that very first letter. So that very first letter on my iPhone is an M for the model number. And I'm going to scroll over here so you can see this. If the model number starts with an M, it was purchased new from Apple. So that's really the key that you want to look for, is that that model number starts with an M. However, there are a couple different things that you can look for if you have different numbers that it starts with. If it starts with an F, it was refurbished by Apple or a carrier like AT&T, Verizon, Sprint. So if it starts with an F on that model number, then it has been refurbished. It's a refurbished iPhone. If the model number starts with a P, then it's been personalized. That means there's like an engraving on the back. Somebody put their initials or their name or something like that on there. And then if the model number starts with an N, it was a replacement phone for a malfunctioning iPhone. So say if your phone is under warranty and you took it into Apple and they gave you a brand new phone to replace your old phone, the model number would start with an N, indicating that it's a replacement phone. So you really want to just go into that model number and check and see. Hopefully it starts with an M. That indicates that it is a brand new phone and it's not refurbished. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.